analyze the price action what happened last week, because if you don't know what happened last week, we cannot trade for this week. So we want to know what happened last week. So you can see this was the area where the price opened last week, which was around 6800. So right from the price opening, this is the weekly price opening. So what do you mean by weekly price opening? Which means that on the previous week, if you see on the previous week, the market compared to the previous week, the last week market opened below the all the weekly closing of the previous week. You can see where the price closed on the previous week. So the last week price opening was below the complete previous week price opening. So the price opening here, you can see that the price opened lower and the price continued to stay lower. You can see that most of the time here, the one time the price tried to break this opening, no, it was a failure. The next time it was tried to break this opening, it was a failure, because we know that the price was staying below this average. So we can call this as a short term trend indicator. So since the price was trading below this average, we know that there was a lot of resistance here. Here you can see there was a lot of resistance. See, since the price was not able to move above this zone, the price opened lower. So you can see what happened on 17th. You can always follow the date and time below. So the next 17th also the price stayed lower, but only difference was 18th. 18th the market opened lower and it tried to give a complete pullback. This happens in trading, because all the time you cannot expect the price to come down, because we know that from where the price was dropping, the price was dropping from a huge distance, so there will be some profit taking. But we know that the trend of the crude oil has got the possibility to stay down because it was staying below the average. So what it happened was on 18, you can see the price straight away went and closed higher. But the next day, that was on 19th, the price again opened lower. So again it indicates the trend is down. So the price came down and created a low of around 6,560. This was the low that was created, and the price closed around 6,640. So this was the price action that happened on crude oil last week. So on seeing this, you can notice that so completely it was dominated by the sellers, since the price was trading below the green color. You can see the below the short term average line. Now let us go back. Now you should know that what happened last week. Now let us go back and see what happened last Friday. As you all know, and as a continuous follower of our presentation, now I am using 15 minutes chart. Why I am using 15 minutes chart is that you may be using different platforms, but this 15 minutes chart, everybody can do it without any indicator. You can get this 15 minutes chart everywhere in any platform. So what we did last week was that if you had missed our last week daily presentation, please go back and see that in our YouTube website and all in our blog website onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com. Here we had marked a blue color box in order to identify the trend. So you can see why we had marked this. Let us go back and see why this blue color, the zone within this blue color box is important. 16th of September, that was on Monday, last week Monday. Now what we are doing is a cross section of what we saw in the 1 hour chart. This is following a 15 minutes chart is like a cross section of the 1 hour chart. Now we can see on 16th the price once dipped here and then gave a bounce back. It happened twice on 16th of September. So here also you can see the price stayed here and it break down. You can see a breakdown here, so the price closed lower. The next day on 18th, the market had this zone as a reference, and you can see after breaking this, it formed a support here and it went up. On 19th also, you can see the price stayed here for a long time, and you can see that it couldn't sustain or stay above this zone, so it gave a breakdown which put completely the market down. But if you see that there is some buying here, you can see there is on Friday's price action. This is what happened on Friday. Even after a lower opening, there was some buying, then there was some buying, so evenly there was some buying, but it couldn't go or move above the zone of 6700, which I had marked with a blue color box. So this zone, you can see every day you saw this zone last week, so that is the reason we had marked this as a major zone. Now what we are going to do today, now let us discuss what we can do today. Today the expected price opening based upon the NYMEX price direction, you can notice that the price will be opening lower compared to the Friday's market price closing, which means that you can expect the market to open somewhere near 6600 zone. So this opening is going to be very important. So every day we are analyzing the market based upon price action, based upon trend, and based upon this open, high, low and close analysis. So the weekly opening is very important. The weekly opening for today is going to be just below the price closing, which means that 6600. So everything indicates still the market has got the potential to move down. We are predicting the price opening based on NYMEX price direction. Nowadays, the rupee is playing a major role in modifying the price opening, so we should adjust to that factors also. Now let us consider, since we are posting this presentation very earlier before the market opening, so after the price opening of the INR you should make some adjustment. Now let us assume that the price opens around 6600. That is quite possible for today. So since the price is opening below the Friday's market price closing, and on 19th you see the price closed around just 6630, so the price opening should be below the Thursday's market price closing. So we can again consider that today the price is going to open below the average weekly price closing of the previous week. So if you calculate the average of all the price closing what happened on the previous week, you can assume that today the market is going to open below the weekly average price closing of the previous week. So today there is no doubt about the trend. The price has got the potential to continue its downtrend. So if it continues its downtrend, what can be the possible targets? The first target is 6560. You may ask us how you arrived this targets based upon the previous histories of chart. As a technician, we know that always we refer to the histories of chart based upon our previous experience, and we had identified these target zones. The initial target will be 6560. Like what happened, how we predicted this target, you can see just the price came down and tried to test this and it gave a bounce back. So this can be the initial first target, and the second target is 6513. So these are the two targets you can expect. What we advise clients, what we advise you as a trader is that once you reach this target, stay away from the crude oil market. Why we are saying that? Just because the market, you can see it's oversold. So many selling had happened, and the market there is some buying on dips. So what we to be on the safer side, if you, for this weekly projection, what we suggest is that this 100-point moves will be satisfactory. So right from the price opening 6600, if the price open here and the price testing here, then wait for the price to consolidate and follow our video presentations. So we will pinpoint you where there will be the twists and turns. The only possibilities for crude oil to go higher, what are the possibilities that the crude market can go higher? There is a only possibility that the market should have a closing above this zone which we had marked. Again, if the price is going to close above this zone, or if it is going to show some price action above this, that will pull lot of buyers into this zone, because we know, like us, all the traders will be watching this zone very carefully. So if there is a closing above this zone, unless until we get a closing above this zone, please wait. So if we get a closing, and if the market will form a pattern like this, you can see what happened on 18th. It will form a formation like this, and it will convert this into a support, and then you will see the price will be moving up. So till then we can expect crude to stay down. This is what is going to be our weekly projection. Our weekly projection is that right from 6600, if the trend continues, the price is likely to hit all the targets what we had mentioned. But if the price is going to close above this zone, then continuously follow video presentations. We will identify the where the twists and turns that's happening in the market for you. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session for this week. We wish you all the best for great success in the coming week. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.